All right, what's going on today, guys? Today we got a pretty easy install on good old Clifford back here, and that's this hook right here. So this is from the guys over at Desolate Motorsports. This little hook here, it essentially helps you tie down stuff in the back of your truck. But you know, where does it go? Like, why do you need a hook like this? Well, what this does is it replaces one of the bolts on your latch for your rear seat right in the center. Right now, there's just two bolts. Once you take a bolt out, put this guy in, threads are exactly what you need. Comes with the washer, you just thread it right in there, and then you got a nice mounting point smack in the center that's tied down really solid into the body of the truck. So that's what we're doing today. Really simple. We're just gotta move our boxes or bins out of the way here. We'll get to that bolt, fold the seat forward and probably all the way forward, honestly, to get better access to the bolt, and then tighten this guy down. Should be pretty simple. All right, so there's our rear seat latch. I was gonna vacuum out while we're down here, so that doesn't matter, flip forward in a bit, but that's our rear seat latch, and it is that bolt right there is coming off. It's a 19 millimeter. Now see how tight this sucker is on there. Oh my goodness! All right, we're gonna need both hands. Oh, try pulling it. Oh, okay, we're gonna need something bigger. Well, it was definitely tight. Let's see here. Got some more leverage, if that helps. Oh. There it goes. Woo! Holy smokes, man. Hot. Whew. Thing's been in there since 1991. All right, now that we got that out, pull that out, pull the washer out. Okay, put that back there. Then I need, there it is, our new hook here. Our new hook. Let's open it up. Pull out our hook. Got a new washer to go with it. Just throw that washer on. And this guy just should match up to the threads that are in there. We just gotta get this guy tightened up, and I mean, okay, want that a little tighter. Just based on how tight the old one was in there, I want that a little bit tighter than it is. It's easy enough to do. We get a bigger pry bar. We'll tighten that guy up. I also want it facing the other way, or sideways. There it goes. That's how I want it. Right there. Now the trick is, does the seat go down? The seat goes down and clamps, we're good to go. Oh yeah. Oh, easy, look at that. Perfect. All right, let's get a vacuum this out. That's it. That's as simple as it gets right there. Nice tie down right in the center. Pretty much what we're gonna do with that, we're gonna use my two mounts that I've put up on the seat here, and we're essentially going to suck in these bins and suck them up against the back seat as tight as we can so they don't bounce around or whatever, you know, keep it from doing that kind of stuff. So pretty easy. Let me get this vacuumed up, we'll get it all put together. All right, there we have it. So you can kind of see it in there. Yeah, you can see it. There it is, right in the center. And yeah, we got these hooked up to the other sides. Now, honestly, needs to get above that spot there. That's not that bad. But those are nice and secure, because as much as you think these boxes loaded down with gear don't move, they move. They move, all right. So I'll fix this right now, actually, since we're right here. So we just need to let off a little bit there. Okay. Now, if we tighten this guy down as much as we can. There we are. I am a little happier with that. There we go. All right. So nice and secure. Okay. Right over here. Just retie it off again. All right. There we have it. Yeah. Quick little thing. Little hook. Just to help everything stay secure. And I mean, that's just one way to use it. That's at least the plan I had right here, is just to help hold those bins in and secure. And it gives me another anchor point, especially with the top off, to mount stuff, because you can still access it through the front of those bins. You can still get down there, you can still reach it, and I can use it for other things. That's a heck of a lot sturdier than like these little attachment points I put on here. Quite a bit sturdier than those. So that's the little install there. Pretty cool little product. Something, you know, most of us wouldn't think about doing, or even think of having. So if you guys are interested in a little cargo hook from Desolate Motorsports, link in the description. And that's going to be it for today on Clifford. Stay tuned for more awesome content. Appreciate you guys watching.